welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch and review a new collection by Pink Gellac, which is a beautiful gel polish brand. Actually one of my favorite gel polish brands. I wear them all the time, and in today's video it is time for me to swatch and talk about the new Safari collection. This is a 5-piece collection. You can get the bottles separately if you want to. They are 15 euros if I remember correctly, and Pink Gellac is originally a Dutch brand. They are vegan, they're cruelty free, they are safe to use, and they have beautiful products. I really love them. But this collection mostly contains some beautiful yellow tones, which I love. At the moment I'm obsessed with anything yellow, and there is a green in there as well as 2 brown caramel kind of colors. I'm actually wearing one of the colors as we speak. I think this one was the Savannah beige, if I'm correct, if that was the exact name. Don't pin me on that. Like, sometimes I mix up names, especially if I'm recording intros like I'm doing right now. It might have been like a week, maybe even 2 weeks, that I actually sat down to swatch this collection, and I pretty much just record the intros whenever I'm ready to edit these swatches. So yeah, sorry if I got the name a little wrong, but this collection is really gorgeous and definitely check it out if you're interested to know more about the colors or just get a couple of them yourself. But yeah, let's just stop the rambling and continue with these swatches and a full-on review. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching already. Of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so in the little button. Click on it down below and become a little part of my nail family here at YouTube as well. But thank you so much for watching once again on forehand, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well. So let's get right into this box because it is gorgeous. As I already said so in the intro, I'm obsessed with this collection. I do feel like it isn't a really specific spring-summer collection or something like that. It is just based upon like jungle, safari colors, animal prints and so on, which is something that I love. I am a 90s girl, and in the 90s a leopard print, tiger prints, all of that shebang, like zebra print was the let's just put it to that. But yeah, here's a little overview of the colors. Of course, the box that it came in is just stunning, really gorgeous, really fitting for the color scheme as well. The first color is called Lion Yellow, and of course I am going to swatch all of these with 2 coats on the little like swatch nails or pop nails, because Pink Gellac has also sent out or actually created some really cool swatch nails which have like a little section where you can put the number of the color in, and they're just a really nice neutral color. I will show you them in a little bit, but let's continue with a little overview of the colors so far. I really love that green, and I've mentioned this in a couple of other videos as well. Usually I'm not a big fan of green. It's actually my least favorite color when it comes to nail polishes and gel polishes, but this green is a really nice and also gorgeous color to use during fall. And as I mentioned in the intro, the Savannah beige color is actually a color I was wearing in the intro as well, but yeah, I will get back into that color once I'm going to swatch it. As I said, here are the little like pop nails, swatch nails, however you want to call them. Some even call them practice nails. I usually just get them online at AliExpress, like the clear, like creamy colored ones. But I really love that Pink Gellac came out with their own. It has the brand name. You have like a little section you can put the number in. It's really easy. But the first color I am going to swatch right now is 314. This one is that lion yellow color, and as you might have noticed, I am loving yellows at the moment. I think yellow is just such a fun, bright, happy color, and I love to wear it during spring and summer. So like, apart from some of the darker colors like the green and the really like kind of black starry night kind of color that is in this collection, I do feel like the first 2 colors are pretty spring-like and just fun and happy and bright. I don't know, I just love yellows. But this one is actually pretty decent. Yellows tend to be quite hard to create, like to manufacture and so on. They can be really sheer, and if you add too much pigment, they can be really thick and gloopy. With this specific color by Pink Gellac, I don't feel like it has a bad consistency or substancy or anything like that. It is pretty much opaque within that first coat already, but of course if you're going to apply this to your own natural nails, for example, I would always go for 2 thin layers, and of course cure each layer for 60 seconds as well. But this is the end result of just 2 layers and a layer of the no wipe top coat, which is the ultra shine one. I have just skipped recording the part where I added the top coat just to make this video not like half an hour to an hour long, because usually when I swatch videos or like collections like this and I record it, it does take me at least an hour, sometimes even 2 hours to even like do all of the swatches and get it all perfectly in screen and stuff like that. But yeah, let's continue with the next color, because this one is a stunner as well, and it actually kind of makes me hungry when I look at this color. So this color is called Camel Gold, and it is a pure liquid caramel kind of color. It is gorgeous, like a caramel taffy or something like that. It is stunning. Next to the fact that the previous color was kind of spring summer to me, I think this can be a really cool color to wear during summer as well, but especially during fall. I think this is such a perfect fall color, and it just is a really like actually kind of delicious color to wear, to be honest. I do feel like this color will suit a lot of different skin tones. It even looked pretty decent on me, even though I have more of like a cooler neutral undertone. But I do think like the darker your skin tone is and the warmer, the better this color will look on you. I think it's gorgeous, it's delicious, it makes me hungry and feel like having some caramel taffy or something like that. And of course the same goes for this one as the previous one. It just is a really nice, like decent, opaque, pigmented color, easy to work with as well. Then the next color is the green that I actually pretty much love. This one is called Jungle Green. It is a nice, kind of like a dark olivey kind of color, which is pretty cool. This one is completely creamy as well. Actually, all of the colors in this collection are very creamy. There's just one color in here that contains some very finely milled glitter and shimmer, but I will get back to that color in a little bit once I'm done swatching this one. Oh, and for the record, for some reason, my camera felt like I had such a pretty thumb that it wanted to focus on my thumb only while swatching and not really on the swatch stick. So I'm really sorry about that. I have just only noticed it. Now I'm doing this voiceover and have edited the footage. And yeah, sorry about that. But my camera is just pretty much in love with my thumb. And it just wanted to focus on that, like the swatches didn't matter to him. So yeah, I'm sorry. But other than that, you can still see the color, especially here in the end result little footage shot. I think the color is a little bit more warm than I thought it was going to be when I saw the like the label on the bottle. Man, I was almost stumbling right here. But it is a pretty nice green color, and yeah, I don't know what's happening to me, but I'm really loving greens at the moment. The next color is called Star Sky Black, and this is the only color from the collection that I just mentioned that actually contains some glitter and shimmer. It is pretty much very finely milled holographic glitter that's in here, and a little bit of like a silvery kind of shimmer. I feel like it's a gorgeous color, and the name suits it very, very well as well. That was kind of weird to say, very well as well. But yeah, I'm really rambly today. I don't know what's going on. It's like my weekend now. I'm recording this voiceover, and I don't know. I just feel like I'm really happy in life. I don't know. I just love doing videos like these, and I get really enthusiastic, and I just love sharing my passion for nail products, whether it are gel polishes or regular polishes, nail art, whatever. I'm sorry, I'm just high on life, let's just put it at that. But yeah, this beautiful black color, as you can see right here, it is pretty much opaque with that first coat already. I do feel like this one has a little bit of a thicker substancy, so yeah, you might have to be a little bit more careful while applying it, and of course work with very thin colors, because very opaque colors like these are a little bit harder to cure. So if you would apply a thinner layer, it is just easier to cure, and you're actually making sure that you're fully curing this color within 60 seconds for each layer. But yeah, let's continue with the next one. The Savannah beige number 318 is the one I'm wearing on my nails right now, or at least now I'm doing this voiceover. When recording this video, I still had my like vertical ombre pastel cloud kind of design going on. I haven't done a video on that, but I have tried to recreate it on my other hand, which I use nail polishes for, like regular nail polishes. So if you want me to edit and upload that video, do let me know, because I have recorded it, like the footage is ready to be edited, but I just haven't scheduled it in yet. So yeah, let me know if you would like to see me do that cloud pastel vertical ombre design on like my other hand with regular nail polishes as well. But yeah, that was a little side note ramble. Back to this beautiful beigey kind of color, which is kind of like a soft brown tone. It is really easy to use. I do feel like this one needs a third coat, or at least I needed a third coat when I applied it to my own natural nails, just to make it opaque enough and not have my natural smile line peeking through anymore. But yeah, it's a really nice basic color. You can add any like glitter or shimmer, even stamping on there. I think it's a beautiful base color for nail art, but just to wear it on its own, it's pretty nice and wearable and very neutral as well. But yeah, this was the entire swatch and review collection. Let me know what you think about these colors in the comment section down below. It's not very springy, but the yellow is kind of spring summery. That's pretty much my opinion, but I think it's very, very gorgeous collection, really wearable throughout the entire year. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.